Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to tackle a common issue many of you might be facing with the EA College Football 25, the team builder's logo not loading. Let's dive into some quick fix to get you back to creating your dream teams. If you are experiencing blank or gray logos into the team builders, it is likely due to a few common issues. First, ensure your logos are correctly formatted and not copyrighted. However, even with the right setting, some users still face problems. Let's explore some solutions. Solution number one, browser change. Only simple fix is to try using a different browsers. Some users have reported success by switching from the Google Chrome to Firefox on Microsoft Edge. This might resolve a issue quickly. Solution 2, image resizing. Another trick is to resize your logo image. Ensure that they are either less than the 500 into 500 pixel or exactly 512 into 512 pixels. This can help the logos load properly. Solution 3, clear cache and cookies. Sometimes clearing your browser's cache and the cookies can resolve reloading issues. Additionally, make sure the game is not running while you are using the team builder's website. Workaround. If your above solution don't work, try this workaround. Go to the uniform sections, select helmets, then navigate the STEM and programs. After ensuring everything looks good, go back to your team, edit screen and try uploading the logos again. That's it for today's video. Hopefully these tips have helped to resolve the logo loading issue in EA College Football 2025 team builders. If you have any more questions and need further assistance, feel free to leave a comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech related problem solving content.